My name is Lieutenant Commander Brian Vogel of the United States Navy. I'm with the HSM-51 Warlords located in NAF at Tsugi, Japan. I'm a pilot in the MH-60 Romeo helicopter, which we have brought here to Seoul 8X-19. Here on the nose of the helicopter we have our FLIR, which has capability for both infrared, day TV, and low light cameras, in addition to laser designator and laser marker. We have our ALQ-210 ESM suite, which allows us to detect, locate, and classify radar emitters. Moving farther along, you'll notice underneath the nose we have our APS 153 radar on the radome that provides us with the capability to locate surface targets. And it has surface search, coastal search, and periscope detection modes that increase our capability for anti-submarine warfare, in addition to ISAR mode, which allows us to identify and classify ships at significant range. Farther along the side of the helicopter here, you'll notice we have our extended pylon on which we can load Hellfire missiles for surface warfare. In this aircraft, we've installed an auxiliary fuel tank to increase our range to provide increased time and distance for the helicopter's operations. Behind this panel is our sonobuoy launcher. When this panel is removed, we have as many as 25 slots for launching sonobuoys to detect and identify submarines. Farther aft, you'll see an additional ESM suite sensor. There are 4 of those located around the helicopter. Moving farther aft on the helicopter, you'll notice at the tail we have a hinge that allows us to fold the tail for shipboard stowage. After manually folding the stabilator blades and the tail, the main rotor blades fold automatically for quick and easy storage on board ships. Here underneath the helicopter you can see the bottom of the transducer for our AQS-22 ALFS dipping sonar, which allows us to locate and track submarines in shallow and noisy environments. Here on the tail pylon we have the dispenser for our ALE-47 countermeasure dispensing suite that allows us to dispense chaff and flares for self-protection from surface-to-air threats. In short, the MH-60 Romeo is an extremely capable maritime helicopter that the United States Navy uses for surface warfare, subsurface warfare, in addition to other missions, including search and rescue, communications, and logistics. Our abilities to use our high-quality sensors and weapons, along with our powerful and useful data links, provide a lot of capability that make this helicopter a wonderful aircraft to operate.